Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 12 Parallel Lines Exercise 12 Question 4. This question says that in the following figure certain angles are marked. Study each figure carefully and write down the angles which are equal, and we have to give the reasons as well. So here you'll see there's a little hint given to us. It says x1 equals to x2, angle x1 equals angle x2 because they are vertically opposite angles, angle y equals angle y2 because they are vertically opposite angle. There is no requirement for this, I'll tell you. So you see here this figure is given. Over here we've got 7 different angles with 7 different figures with angles marked on each one of them. We basically have to tell which of these angles is equal. So one thing we have to keep in mind before this, that whenever a transversal intersects a parallel line, what type of angles are formed and what basically is the category, like are they equal, are they supplementary, are they complementary or whatsoever. So first of all suppose this is my line, I'll just make a line, right? This is my line, and in this line you can see that through the middle of this there is a transversal intersecting it, right? Okay, so when there will be a transversal which is intersecting two parallel lines like this, okay, and like this, and through the middle of this the transversal is cutting it, so there will be angles formed, right? So one thing we have to see is that all the vertically opposite angles, right? I'll write it in the shortest manner possible. So vertically opposite angles are always what? Equal, right? They are always equal when the transversal will intersect our two parallel lines L and M, let's say. Okay, so this transversal let's say B is intersecting our lines, right? So all the vertically opposite angles in this figure will be equal. Okay, then the corresponding angles will also be equal, right? And then all the alternate angles, including the exterior and the interior alternate angles, they will be equal as well. So alternate angles are also equal, right? And the last thing is that all of our co-interior angles, that is interiors which lie the angles which lie in the interior of our side and on the same side of the transversal will be supplementary. Here it is different, equal, and the last one is supplementary. Supplementary means both of our angles will have a sum of 180 degrees, right? So you see here in this figure same thing we have to just follow in all of them. You see, first it has already given to us in the first part that x1 is equal to x2 because they are vertically opposite angles. Here we'll see, so vertically opposite angles are always equal, we've discussed. So x1 x2 vertically opposite angles, y1 y2 are also vertically opposite angles, right? So this states that they are what? They are basically equal angles, right? What else angles can we find equal in this? So supplementary angles we are not supposed to write. Rest, is any angle equal in here? No. Okay, so we move on now. The second figure, I'll skip the first one because already the answer is written. For the second one we can see that first of all let's look for the angles, vertically opposite angles first, which is the vertically opposite angles here. Q and P are vertically opposite angles, S and R also are vertically opposite angles, right? Then we can see over here that T is another angle, but it is not a vertically opposite angle. So we write it here that angle P and angle Q, right? Angle P is equal to angle Q. Okay, sorry, this is not a way. Okay, so Q, and also the second pair now, that is angle S is equal to angle R, and the reason is again vertically opposite angles, right? Then what else do we have here? The next one is angle T. Okay, angle T here will be corresponding angle with angle S. Why? Because you can see that it is basically one angle. Both of our angles S and T lie on the same side, and S is on the exterior and T is in the interior, right? And corresponding angles are always equal. Okay, so you can mention this also in the second part of our question, that angle S and angle R are equal because they are the corresponding angles, right? Then the next one is angle. The third part, here we can clearly see two angles only are given to us, M and N, right? So M and N are corresponding angles because again both of them lie on the same side of transversal. One is interior, the other is exterior. So in the third part only one angle, one pair of angle is equal, right? That is angle M is equal to angle N, because they are which type of angles? Corresponding angles, right? And then the next one is the fourth one. This is A and D. You can see none of these are equal. Why? Because A and D are supplementary angles. They are co-interior angles, so they will always be supplementary only. So leave this part because no angle is equal in this one. The next one, E and F. Again E and F are equal in this angle because they are alternate angles. Alternate angles, basically one is on the interior, the other, sorry, one is to the left of the transversal, other is to the right. So you write here in the fourth part that no angle is equal, right? No angle is equal. And then the fifth part, what else do we have here? In the fifth part, E and F are equal. Angle E and angle F are equal, okay, because they are which type of angles? They are alternate angles, right? So alternate angles. Then what else do we have? In the sixth part, you can see nothing is equal because C and D again are interior angles which are supplementary, right? So in the last part of this one, we'll have our answer as no angle is equal because basically the given angles are supplementary and nothing else is given, right? So this becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.